Not all sump pumps are the same, and if you pick the wrong one, your basement could pay the price. There are two main types of sump pumps, submersible and pedestal. Submersible pumps sit down inside the pit, run quieter, and are usually the best choice for most homes. Pedestal pumps sit above the pit, cost a little less, and are easier to service, but they're louder and not as powerful. I've only seen a couple of these out in the wild. For most homeowners, we recommend a submersible pump with a cast iron body. They last longer, handle heat better, and are more reliable during heavy rain. But the most important upgrade, a backup sump pump. Storms that cause flooding often knock out your power, and if your main pump stops, your basement can flood fast. Backup pumps can be battery powered or water powered, and they can save you thousands of damage. The more advanced the battery powered backups get, the more common they are, and more of my clients tend to get away from the water-powered backup systems. If you only have one sump pump, it might be time to add a backup before the next big storm hits this spring. And if you're not sure what type of pump you have a professional take a look. It can make all the difference.